Which of the following correctly expresses the function rule for divide by 3, subtract 4, and then square the result? We have 4 answer choices. One of them is the correct answer. Let's get down to it. Now, in this case, we want to find out that function rule. And what functions are is a rule. Generally, a function will be represented by a lowercase or an uppercase single letter. The number one function letter that you will see is lowercase f for f in function. How fun. And the function, the lowercase letter, always needs to tell a variable what to do. And the variable is always going to be seen trapped in the parentheses. This is the number one function notation you will see in any math class, f of x. But as we see here, there's tons of other function notation. We have a function s, who's bossing around the variable b. We have the rule p, telling x what to do. We have the function f with the t, and then we have the rule or the function h telling what z what to do. My recommendation is to do it in f of x notation, because that's usually the one that is most widely used, and we love to use x. And then all you got to do is just match up yours with this one. So let's get into it. We want to divide by 3, but you might be asking yourself, divide what by 3, right? What do we boss around or tell what to do? Divide what? The variable. We want to divide the variable by 3. And for us, we're just going to call that variable x. Now, if you're having trouble whether we have x over 3 or 3 over x, just know that it's in the wording. Now, it did say divide first. So, divide by 3. So, numerator divide by the denominator. The 3 came after the word divide, so the 3 has to be on the bottom. That tells you who is supposed to be on the top. And it's the variable, x. So we know that we're going to have, for our case, x divided by 3. Now what you can do is you can start looking for incorrect responses as well. So, for example, for the first one, here is my b value, and it's over the whole entire thing, right? It's still being divided by 3, so maybe we'll keep that for now. Here is an x, as they're using the variable. It is being divided by 3, so that's fine. Here is our variable t. It's being divided by 3. That's fine, and the same thing goes for this. So can't really get rid of anything just yet, so let's keep moving. Now, after we divided by 3, then we want to take the entire thing and subtract 4. So we're subtracting 4 from the group, the entire thing that we've been dealing with. Literally, subtract minus 4, so minus 4, there's got to be something in the front, and that's this whole group. So we're going to say x divided by 3, subtract 4. So x minus 3 minus 4. This is now our new notation. Let's see what's going on. Now it starts getting a little bit away from us here, right? Well, now we have that x value squared. And I'm not writing a square yet. I don't have anything squared yet. So I would be keen to get rid of this one. And seems like this one, x minus 4 in parentheses, and then divide by 3, right? Usually parentheses means that we have to do that first. So maybe what I'll do is I'll say, these are parentheses. Using your PEMDAS, x minus 4 would be done first, but that's not what we want. We want it to divide first. So this one goes bye-bye as well. For this one, I have my x over 3, or in this case, the t over 3, minus 4. That looks good. That looks pretty close to what we have. This one, it's z divided by 3. That's what we had. But now it's being squared and then subtracted. That's not what we want. So automatically, we know that this one has got to be the answer. But let's just run through it because we are one step. Oh no, hold on. The other one. This one's out. Yes, this one's out. The third one is in. But now let's just keep with it, right? I think we got one more thing to do. Then we want to take the entire result and square it. So we basically want to group together this whole thing. And what notation do we use when we want to group something? Yeah, we use parentheses. So I want to say this is the whole entire thing that I've been working towards. That's the result. And I want to square this whole thing. Parentheses on the whole, square it. And if I just make this a function, maybe I'll just say for myself, f of x. But now, that's what it is. And now we see that our answer is pretty similar to this guy. And that's it. What'd you think? Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for learning function notation with me. I hope this helped you. If you guys want to have more practice with this and more practice with your math class and more fun, head on over to glazersguide.com where we have much more questions for you guys, and you guys can learn at your own pace and you learn with us. So what can be better? Thank you so much, and I hope you're having a great day. And I'll talk to you soon. There's a link in the description and at the end of the video if you want to head on over there. Thanks. Bye-bye.
For more practice and for more fun, go to glazersguide.com.
And for more practice and for more fun, come on, go to glazersguide.com.